Guys, welcome back. We're at a swap meet and we're gonna see if you can buy budget camera gear at a swap meet for cheap. Let's go. Hi, my name is Zach and I'm a young filmmaker. And on this channel, I make films. This is ZJ Studios. I found some stuff, we're gonna look at it. Definitely an old lens.
100mm.
Wait, oh, 80, so it's like a nice zoom lens. What camera is this? Minolta or whatever it is. It's like light plastic. Oh, is this a film camera? That's cool. And then look at this little thing. This little thing is cool. A tiny little film camera. Looks like the batteries are a little messed up, but the little viewfinder, my camera that I'm using to record doesn't even have a viewfinder. It's like a little power shot, but it's not Canon. Then there's also this, oh my gosh, this is an old, very old camera. Lens, I could use this lens. 28 to 80 millimeter, f1.3, that is a very good lens. Yeah, it is a very old lens, so the autofocus would be like zzz. Yeah, you can get f1.3 28 to 80 millimeter Canon EF lens for $25 at a swap meet. Holy crap. Alright guys, if you're interested in getting a Rebel camera, swap meets are a great place. Let's keep looking. Guys, we might have just hit the good stuff. It's a nice Lumix point and shoot. A used one is $145. Alright guys, so that one Panasonic is $90. It's a pretty good deal, but I already have a camera, so I'm not gonna get that. And this is like really cheap, so I could use it as a backup camera, but I don't need it. So pretty good deal, 90 bucks. So far we found a lot of cameras and it's looking pretty cool. If you're interested in getting a cheap camera to just start or take pictures or whatever, then go to your local swap meet because they'll probably have quite a few. There's an old Canon camera right there. That's sick. For some reason I just love old tech and old cameras. They're just like so nice, so satisfying to just hold. Dang, that is a chungus. That is heavy. Oh, there's a lens for it. I found a Polaroid. Actual Polaroid brand. That's pretty good find. We're back at the spot where this camera is because the mini film one, because I want to see if I can get it for aero vlogs. And yeah. Thank you. I'm gonna go for like the thermal crab one over here. Let's go! Even the small ones are rigged. Dad, it's the same camera. Same camera, but in much better condition.
$10 for you. I want 20 for it, not me.
Guys, I wasn't gonna get that other one. This one's in better condition. The same exact camera. The dude that had the claw machine, he like gave me the shell even after I missed it, and $10. Wow, that dude is awesome. All right, Caleb, this is for you. Wow, that guy is so cool.